Sometimes you need more than just words on a screen or a verbal description to really bring an idea to life. For example, I could try to describe a dream I had last night, or better yet, I could just show you. So most of us would jump at the chance to make our work stand out with impressive visuals, but this can be out of reach if you're not a designer. But with Gemini, you can create and transform content across media types. For example, you can build marketing materials or images for your website. You can take a report and turn it into a presentation. Or you can even create a video with just a prompt. You can do all of this using AI's multimodal capabilities. This means that you can make a request in one format, like an image, and get an output in a different format, like a video. For example, you could give Gemini a text prompt and get an image in return, like this. It can also take something like an image and turn it into a video, like this one. Hey, want to see something really cool? It can even take a set of images and combine them into something else. So AI provides a whole new way of working where your ideas and creative vision define the strategy, and AI can instantly turn this into reality. So what does this mean for you and your work? Well, first, you can gain the ability to generate high-quality images and videos. You can add these easily into any work product or in your messages to your team, stakeholders, or customers. Second, you can expand your ability to create with instant format transformation. Start with something in a Google Doc, like your messy notes, or a PDF, a spreadsheet, an audio file, or another format. And then from there, you can direct AI to turn this into a 5-minute presentation outline. Third, Gemini can give you on-demand feedback while you're creating a draft or piece of content. Anytime you want, you can ask Gemini for pointed critiques like, does this presentation clearly explain our proposal? Or how might our audience of first-time homebuyers respond to this video ad? Gemini can help you find potential areas for improvement and give you tangible suggestions for how to refine your work. So how should you use your experience and insights to direct it? Well, think of AI as your thought partner, not your replacement. Review everything it produces and make sure it matches your perspective or your brand. And if you're representing something as fact, like transforming a report into an infographic, double-check that AI got it right. And always exercise your judgment by asking yourself if you're using AI in a way that's appropriate given the context and the audience. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use these techniques to quickly prototype, create engaging content, and get feedback and pointers about your work. All right. If you're ready to start using AI to bring your ideas to life, let's get going.
So I've always had this in my head, and I was like, when I have time, I'm gonna write this book. And then large language models came out, and I was like, man, that'd be cool. Like, if I have time, I'm gonna work with the large language models and get started writing that book. And then I was like, wait a minute, we can go directly to video. This is like 2 months ago. I was like, I can just create a movie. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm so excited. I was like, wow, because in my head, I was always like, I gotta sit down and write this, and then when I write it, but actually it's more like it's a movie in my head and all of this, and I'm like, whoa, we're just cutting out steps in my made up universe of what I'm gonna do. So I love using search, and then I love the search capability to use AI mode. So I think people should go and try that. Oh, and you know what I love? I love things also in Google Photos. People need to mess with Google Photos, okay? I love magic erase, right? You can take, I love taking things out of pictures. I love circle to search. I like saying, hey, I want something like this. Can you help me find it? And I like to use a lot, it's like a long list. I think it's great to support, for instance, local artists, local designers, clothing designers, or jewelry designers. And the ability to find them now is easier than ever, right? Because you can search for people that are doing quite unique things or things that are quite bespoke to what you want. That is cool.